Yeah, I have no issues with it.
Okay.
You know, it does pretty well.
Is it? Where's your port?
It's on the driver's side.
Driver's side? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
there's a whole bunch of room in here, you know. Yep. So I made the box, you know, based off of
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I do YouTube videos, Jacob Viral. Is there, if you tell me a walk around of what all you have in here?
basically it's 4 ZVX 15s on 2 MD5Ks at 1 ohm each pair. The car's got a stock 200 amp alternator from factory. Okay. I got a 150 amp hour with lithium back there, Yinglongs. I got 24 mids and highs, no tweeters, on 2 Pioneer GM DH604s, all at 1 ohm. Yeah, I have no issues with it.
Okay.
You know, it does pretty well.
Is it? Where's your port?
It's on the driver's side.
Driver's side? Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of room in here, you know.
Yep.
So I made the box, you know, based off a calculator.
Yep.
And then that's what it made me to do, and it plays very musically.
All right. Awesome. Appreciate the info, man.
Of course, man. That's what it's for.
Thank you for the demo. What's your name?
AD, like AD Azalea.
Okay, Jacob.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
I'm gonna try subscribe. What's your YouTube?
Sure. YouTube YouTube, Jacob Vile. Subscribe, yeah.
Appreciate it, bud.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Of course, man. That's right here. Hey, just pull it. Just pull it again.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.